Abraham have stood, and though we speak different languages, we share one voice. We can heal the anguished hearts as we all rejoice. Tikkun Olam, repair the world. Tikkun Olam, repair the world. We are one people, we are one heart. Tikkun Olam, repair the world. Those who came before us, some died to set us free. They weave our story told into a living tapestry, and we will not forget the past. We forever mourn, rebuild what has broken, mend what has been torn. Tikkun Olam, repair the world. Tikkun Olam, repair the world. When our people suffer, we will ease their pain. When they are oppressed, we will break the chain. We are one people and one heart. From generations we have learned we need to do our part. Now it is our turn. Tikkun Olam. Tikkun Olam. Across the generations, as we strengthen the ties that bind us all together with no compromise, we teach our children compassion. They learn how to give, plant the seeds of knowledge, and our people learn to live. Tikkun Olam, repair the world. Tikkun Olam, repair the world. We are one people, we are one heart. Tikkun Olam, repair the world. Tikkun Olam. We stand with Israel for all the world to see. Tikkun Olam. We dream of peace to be our destiny.